is Saturday, May 13. 13 ba? May 13, right? Tomorrow is May 14 and it's Mother's Day. And alam niyo naman tayo, pag may something na special like Valentine's, Christmas, we always prepare, right? So, let me show you this. So, minotor ko siya. As you can see, medyo tumabingi siya. Ayun, malug-alug na siya. This is our Mother's Day special cake na regalo natin kay Mami. So, ayos natin yan. Tapos, meron tayong mga cake toppers doon. Let's do this. Iba tayo nandito sa labas, no? We bought also flowers here for her. This is worth ayan. Ganda siya, guys. So, ayan. So, tayo lang nga siya dito. Getting prepared, pero parang sa loob. Okay. Pero sabay-sabay na natin pagpasok, no? So aside from this, bumili rin tayo ng cake toppers. Ito is for the balloons. You can inflate it inside. Meron tayo dito pa-inflate. That's our gift for her. Hindi natin binalot. That's fine. Ito is si Athena na lang to. So ang gagawa nito ay si Athena. Walang patungan siya. Ito is for the balloons here. Ito ang cake toppers natin. Yan. Yes, Athena's. Alright, let's go. Sa tinhanginan yan. Meron tayong stand dito. Ito, I think it's cost around 50 pesos. Ito naman, yung stand, it cost around 30 pesos sa National Bookstore. Yan. So, yan. Kita tingnan, di ba? Alright. That's good. Ito naman, minotor ko kasi guys, so it's my fault. Pero, maganda po pa yung flowers. This costs around 1,000 plus. 1,000 something. This one cost 300. Tinawaran ko yan. So, looks like we're almost ready. Si Athena na lang yung natulog. So, pabayaan na siya makatulog. Wala tayong magagawa doon. So, I guess that's it. Let's throw this thing in the trash. Okay, so I was able to send my message in Facebook. It's already 12 midnight. She's still working and doesn't have an idea on what's gonna happen, but that's it. It's past 12. Still working.
Ito video mahal.
Oh, syempre.
Bakit mo pa-video mahal?
Syempre.
Thank you sa post.
Love you. My Mother's Day. Come here.
Thank you. Ay, wow! Nakahanap pa rin. Oh, ang sweet
Happy
naman
Mother's Day.
Pero gusto ko kasi nakakain na cake.
Saan ka muna? Happy Mother's Day. And sensya ka na sa cake.
No, ka na. May pag-alibot.
Oo, ay pinagpawisan pa nga ako kakapigan niya kanina eh. Picture yan. 1. Ay, upo ka para doon. Babuksan ko rin yung ilaw for you. Ah.
Tsura ko.
Sige.
Sira yung cake.
Oo, minotor ko eh. Yung nilagay ko yan sa Ubox. Syempre, nagtatalbog yan. Lagi kong binabantayan yun eh. Sarado pa yung kalsada namin yan kasi may concert sa sa barangay eh. So, yun, paganda pa talaga. Yeah.
Picture yun.
Yun siya guys. But this was 2014. 2014. Ito yung anak ko. Malaki na yung anak ko. Dalaga. Naman dalaga. 9 years old na. So, also, punta ako mamaya kay Lola Tess for Mother's Day na, guys. It's 12:15, huh? So, photo ops muna tayo, no? Let's go. Bakit?
Ayun.
1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. Sige, baba mo muna yan. Baba mo na. Yan. Okay. Ito kasi guys, problema to eh. Pag nag-work in office, ang laki niyan eh. So, Happy Mother's Day.
May gift din.
Pre.
Ay, keyboard.
Yan.
Pinakamatagal ka lang hinihintay. Oh, thank you, ma.
Pwede mo nang gamitin ngayon yan.
Balik na yung keyboard ko. Hindi ko na ilamin yung keyboard mo.
Keyboard ko. Tatabi mo natin. Kabisado ko yan. Sabi niya kabisado yan. Kaya, ayan.
Yay.
So, Miniso, guys. Sponsored. Thank you very much, Miniso. Kahit binayaran ko yan. Hindi po yan sponsored. Wala po yung special, ano. So, yan.
Thank you so much, mother.
Yan. Love you.
Balik na ako.
Oh, sige. Pagkakat kita nun para makain mo. Kasi kailangan maubos yan dahil...
Huwag na tomorrow na si Athena maghihintay yun.
Oh, sige. Ref ko muna. Ref ko muna. Alright. Love you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Alright. So guys, bakit post ko to agad? Kasi Mother's Day na mamaya. So, again, Happy Mother's Day to every mothers out there. See you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!